Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound yen monthly, I think it's pretty clear that this is a 1, 2, 3. We are sitting at the 78%, but I still am a big believer that it's going to go up more to finish off a wave 3. Eventually, it probably will make a big correction for the 4 and then back up for the wave 5. I still think it's going all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I believe to be an ABC of B. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, we are sitting at the 78%, but we already had a pullback at that area, so I think there's a pretty good chance that we'll just make a small pullback and just keep on going up, making higher highs and higher lows. For me, unless it goes down and takes structure out to the downside, I am definitely very, very bullish, and I am looking for longs on the sort of time frames for sure. Going down to the daily time frame, I believe this right here was the end of a correction, and as you can see, this is making higher highs, higher lows ever since. Like I said, unless it breaks structure to the downside, I will definitely continue to look for longs. I think there's a very good chance that it will break out of this 186 area and most likely continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. I believe this is all part of a big wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it looks like it pulsed down more like a trend wave A. This is definitely looks like 3 waves up for me, like a wave B. I bet it's actually going to go down more to make a wave C. So if I see it make a nice downtrend right down to one of these Fibonacci levels, then I see an end of a trend. I see a break of structure at a fib level, then that would be exactly what I want to see for my next entry to go long. So let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame now, it does look to me like this is more like a trend overlapping. It's not really that bad. It's lower lows, lower highs. It's not really overlapping that much. I think this is very clearly 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. I think that we're most likely going to continue the downtrend, end up looking something like that for a wave C. Now, if it does end up breaking structure at any one of these fib levels to the upside, then I think that would probably be enough evidence to say that we have the end of a correction, and most likely that would be the continuation of the uptrend, especially if it happens right at one of these fib levels and you see a nice clear break of structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.